Welcome to another Temu video, how to purchase phone case from Temu app. So first of all, open the Temu website. You can see the top side, the search button. Select your mobile. I have Samsung S21. Search. Now you can see the S21 phone cases. Now select whatever you like. Let's see, I like this 1000, but the minimum order payment of Temu is 2000. Now I select this case. Click on the case, phone case. Now you can see the all details of phone case. This is the Samsung S21 Plus case. You can see the details for 45,000 sold. Hashtag 13 best selling. The price is 1000. This you can see the colors: black, purple, blue. S21 plus. Now select your color and come here. If you want to two cases, select two. If you want to select one, click on the add to cart. Please select a model. Okay, S21. This is my model. This is color. Add to cart. You can see the add to cart. Now item purchase together. Let's complete the 2000. Now let's see. I like this black. You can also select a multicolor from here. Select this. Quantity 1. Select your model here and add to cart. Keep shopping at the item is adding. Let's close this. You can see the total amount is about 2000. So now you can check out this. You can see you first order. If you order from Temu, the Temu your information will be saved. You can see my name, my address, everything. Now select here a payment system card, easy pesa, your account number and submit total. If you want to remove, leave. If you want to remove, let's go to here card. You can see the my two phone cases, and you can remove this from here. Delete. Now your product is delete. That's how you can use the purchase from Temu. Thanks for watching.